Good morning, dear all. At the outset, I am delighted to express my sincere gratitude towards Principal Dr. V.N. Jagtap, organizing team, and management of MC Society's Institute of Pharmacy Pune for taking initiative for conducting MSBT sponsored 1 week online faculty development program on effective use of ICT tools for teaching and learning process and online assessment, which is scheduled between 20th of April to 25th of April. Also, I would like to extend my warmest welcome to all the participants across the Maharashtra and India who actively shown their keen interest in online learning. My friends, no one thought of this situation that we will remain at homes for such a long duration. Here comes an opportunity to explore new opportunities in our educational sector. Thus, the purpose of this workshop is to brainstorm amongst the principal faculty to enhance teaching and learning process during this lockdown period and in the challenging environment. Program objective is to provide basic knowledge in use of ICT tools for enhanced and efficient teaching learning process and to create virtual classroom facilities for online engagement of students very effectively during this lockdown period. Nowadays, most of the educational aspects, in particularly in engineering education, has come up in digitized way, and to cope up with the new scenario of digital world, teachers from pharmacy domain needs to use this ICT tool in their day-to-day teaching practices to create and develop greater interest in learning of the students. The main objective of this online FDP program is to provide online virtual training and make all the teachers aware about various facilities available in online learning modes. These tools are softwares for conducting free webinars, virtual classrooms, online study material, setting questions, assessment, e-content design, etc. for proficient delivery of the talks, efficient sharing of classroom materials, which boosts the interest of the students to understand and further enhance their cognitive skills. The online faculty development program will be delivered by eminent resource persons, speakers from well-known university and institutes and Cloud Talent Solutions Private Limited. We all have an opportunity to prepare ourselves for better tomorrow and face this challenge what we are at the moment facing right now. I wish you all a fruitful and unforgettable experience in the coming few days of this online FDP as you explore the trends in e-learning and virtual classroom education. I hope that you will learn online software tools and how to handle it effectively during this period. Let us all meticulously follow the advisories and precautionary measures laid down by the respective authorities and win this fight against coronavirus together. Take care, stay home and stay safe. I wish you all joyous online learning. Thank you and have a great this 5-day week period.